one. Then you have Tugadi, Sunny Dominguez, and Yasay Dominguez and Tugadi. I'm still waiting for somebody to handle defense. Gilbert Tudoro is coming in. I'll talk to him later. The Secretary of Education is Peter Laurel, Presidente ng President. Peter Laurel. Jess Doresa would handle the peace process, presidential, together with Bebot Belio. Belio would handle the communist side. Doresa will handle if he wants. Kung gusto lang niya, the president, yung gusto niya dati kay Arul. I need young men, but I need men of expertise and wisdom. Yung fingertips nila yung problema. But I will create a commission right away. Makes Moro and Romans and Christians, they will be the ones to explain the need to have a federal system. And lecturers, expert about the federal system. After that, I will call for a constitutional convention. And I will ask Filipino people about the need to have the federal system. Kasi hindi ka. If you have another bright idea, fine, I listen to it.
May time frame ba kayo for that?
Yes, it should be not later than 2 years. We will submit the issue for a plebiscite or a referendum. Hindi naman dali lang mag-frame ng actually, it's not in the framing of the words. It is in the matter of implementation and obeying what we have agreed on. And that is for everybody, the Christians, the Moro, and the Roman.